Hello friends, today this is video number 3 on topic matrices. In this video we study or we discuss the minors, cofactors of the elements of the matrix, and then we can discuss how to find the adjoint of the matrix. Now we will start cofactor of elements of matrix. The formula is Aij is equal to cofactor of Aij, which is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. That means cofactor of element Aij means it is Aij, capital Aij, that is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij, where Mij is equal to minor of element Aij. I stands for row number and J stands for column number. Then we take example number 1. Find the matrix of cofactor of matrix A is equal to, matrix is minus 1 2 1, 1 2 0, 3 1 1. Now we will find the cofactor of this matrix A. Now in matrix A there are 9 elements. That means there are 9 cofactors. Every element has its own cofactor. Now the numbering is the first element minus 1. It is belongs to first row, first column. So it is denoted by A11. 1 means row. Second one means column. 2, it is a first row, second column. That means it is A12. So in this way we find 9 cofactors. Now starts with first cofactor, that is A11. A11 means cofactor of element A11, which is equal to, now formula is minus 1 raised to I plus j, means this sum I plus j is even, then minus 1 raised to even number, it is a positive value. And if I plus j is odd, then minus 1 raised to I plus j is negative value. Here A11, that is cofactor of A11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, I plus j, I1, j1, 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 means it is a minor of A11, which is equal to, now minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 means minus 1 raised to 2. Now M11 means minor of A11. Minor of A11 is found by eliminating the row of minus 1 and column of minus 1. Then we find 4 elements, 2 0 1 1. These 4 elements, using these 4 elements we will find the determinant of these 4 elements. Means minor of minus 1 is minus 1 row eliminated, column eliminated, and the remaining element has a determinant 2 0 1 1. So which is equal to, now minus 1 square, that is plus 1. And determinant of 2 0 1 1 means it is a 2 by 2 determinant. 2 into 1 2 minus 0 into 1 0. So answer is 1 into 2, that is 2. So first cofactor, that is element A11, element cofactor of A11 is 2. Similarly we find the remaining cofactor. Now the cofactor A12, which is equal to, it is a cofactor of A12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12, that is equal to, now minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 means 3, into M12, that is determinant of, now element is 2. Now eliminate this row and this column. So we get determinant of 1, 0. This column is eliminated, 1, 0 and 3, 1. So which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 means minus 1, and determinant of 1, 0, 3, 1, it is 1 minus 0. So which is equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Now cofactor A13, that is equal to, that is cofactor of A13 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 M13, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4, determinant of, now element is 1, this row and this column is eliminated, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 means plus 1, 1 into 1, 1 minus 6, that is equal to 1 minus 6 minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5. Similarly, the cofactor of element A21, that is capital A21 is equal to cofactor of A21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 into determinant of, now the cofactor of element 1. So we eliminate this second row and first column. So we get determinant of 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3. That means minus 1 into determinant 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. That is 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Also A22 is equal to cofactor of A22 is this middle element. This row column are eliminated, and then minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4, determinant of this element is 2. So this eliminate this row and column, minus 1, 1, 3, 1. So which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 means 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Then A23 is equal to cofactor of A23, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, that is minus 1 raised to 5, M23. M23 means element is 0. So determinant of minus 1, 2, 3, 1. So which is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. And this determinant is minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7, minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. Similarly, A31 is equal to, now we find that cofactors directly. 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 1 raised to 4, M31, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 means 1, then determinant of 2, 1, 2, 0, which is equal to 1 into 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Then A32 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 into M32, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 means minus 1, determinant of, now element is this one. Now eliminate this row and column. So we get determinant minus 1, 1, 1, 0, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1, that is 1. Then A33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6, M33, minus 1 raised to 6 is 1, and determinant is minus 1, 2, 1, 2. So it is minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 into 1, minus 4. In this way, we find the cofactor of every element of matrix A. So the cofactor of given matrix are A11 is equal to 2, A12 is equal to minus 1, A13 is equal to minus 5. this is the row of the cofactor matrix, that is A11, A12, A13. Now second row is A21 is equal to -1, A22 is equal to -4, A23 is equal to 7. So we write second row is A21, A22, A23. Similarly, the third row of cofactor matrix is A31 is equal to -2, A32 is equal to 1, A33 is equal to -4. So we write the cofactor in matrix form are A11 means first row matrix A11, A12, A13. So here we write A11 means 2, A12 means -1, A13 means -5. The second row is A21. A21 means -1, A22 means -4, A23 is 7. Similarly, the third row is A31 -2, A32 1, and A33 -4. So resultant cofactor matrix is 2 -1 -5, -1 -4 7, and -2 1 -4. Now we extend this example as find the adjoint of matrix A, which is equal to the same matrix as that of the example 1. To find adjoint of A, only change is, first of all we have to find the cofactor matrix, means we find the cofactor of every element, then write the cofactor matrix, and this cofactor matrix converted to new matrix by changing or interchanging rows into column. Means first row converted into first column, second row converted into second column, and third row converted into third column. So this solution of this question is extended from this cofactor matrix as adjoint of A is equal to this cofactor R, means matrix cofactors matrix R, 2 -1 -5, -1 -4 7, -2 1 -4. This is the cofactor matrix, and we have to find adjoint of it. So we take transpose, means here we write T, capital T or small t, transpose of this matrix. This is cofactor matrix. So to find the transpose of matrix means finally we get adjoint of A is equal to, transpose of matrix is formed by R1 converted into C1, means I write R1 as C1, 2 -1 -5, R2 as C2, -1 -4 7, and this R3 as C3, that is -2 1 -4. In this way we find the adjoint of given matrix, and this matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. This example we solve is a 3 by 3 matrix example. Now we will solve some examples in exercise 2.2. The first example is find the matrix of cofactor for the matrix A is equal to 1 3 4 -1. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So formula is that is cofactor matrix Aij is equal to -1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the formula. So here this matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So there are 4 elements in this matrix. So we have 4 cofactors. The first cofactor is A11, that is equal to, A11 means cofactor of element A11, which is equal to minus 1, again minus 1 raised to I plus j. I plus I means 1, j means 1. That means it is 1 plus 1 into m11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 into m12. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we find minor in same way as that of the 3 by 3 matrix. Here 1 is the first element, A11. So we eliminate this row and column. So we get only one element. That means M11 is minus 1. So which is equal to minus 1 square is 1. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. The second cofactor A12 is equal to same cofactor of A12. That is equal to minus 1 raised to again 1 plus 2 into M12. Now element is A12, it is 3. So eliminate this row and this column. So we get element 4. So minus 1 raised to 3 into M12 means the minor minor of 3. Minor of 3 is 4. 4. Minus 1 raised to 3 means minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Similarly, A21, that is equal to cofactor of A21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, that is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 means it is 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 into M21. Now element is 4. This row and column is eliminated, and then the remaining element is 3. So M21 is 3, which is equal to again minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Then A22, which is equal to cofactor of A22, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 means it is 4 into M22. Now element is minus 1. So rows and column is eliminated, and the remaining element is 1. So M22 is equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So in this way we find the cofactor of every element. Now we write this matrix in cofactor form, means cofactor matrix. So therefore the cofactor of matrix A in matrix form is equal to matrix. Now see here A11, A12, A21, A22. So which is equal to A11 is equal to minus 1, A12 is equal to minus 4, A21 is equal to minus 3, A22 is equal to 1. So final answer is minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, 1. Now student will solve this example for homework and give it to me. Then I will check this solution of this example. Now we will solve another example in exercise 2.2. The example is find the adjoint of matrix 2 minus 3, 3, 5. Now I use different method. Different method means it is a method, same method, but first of all I find minus separately and then write its cofactors directly. Now consider the matrix A is equal to, this is given matrix 2 minus 3, 3, 5. Then find minus, that is M11, M12, M21 and M22. M11 means minor of element A11, which is equal to, now A11 element is 2. So we again eliminate this row and column of element 2 and then the remaining element is 5. This is the minor of A11. It is A11. Similarly, M12 is equal to minor of A12. A12, the element is minus 3. So its minor is 3. Then M21, minor of A21. A21 element is 3. So minor of 3, this is minus 3. This row and this column and this row are eliminated. The element is minus 3. Then M22, the minor of A22. A22 element is 5. So its minor is 2. Now we can write directly cofactors as, say the formula Aij, means it is a cofactor of Aij, is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Here I plus j is important factor. I plus j means row number plus column number. When this row number plus column number is an odd number, then minor changes the sign. And when the minus 1 raised to I plus j is an even number, then minus remains same. So here minus 1 M11 means first minor M11 is 5. I write A11 is also 5. Since I plus j is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 means plus 1. So if you multiply plus 1 by any number, we get same number. That means 5 M1 is 1 is equal to 5. Also A11 is equal to 5. Now say the second minor M12. In this case, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. So for finding the A12, that means it is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. It is an odd number, 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 means minus. So if you multiply minus 2, this minor, that is M12, we can change the sign. That means it is 3 converted into minus 3. Similarly, M21 is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 3. So here minor is minus 3. So minus 1 raised to 3, that means it is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3. So here A21 is equal to 3. Here M22 is equal to 2. But 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 means plus 4. Plus 4 means it is a positive value. Therefore, A22 means minor of A22 is 2. But A22 is also 2. Now shortly, to convert minor into cofactor directly, we can change the sign of these two minors, that is M12 and M21. Then we write the cofactor matrix. We have to find the adjoint of matrix. The cofactor matrix is here A11, A12, first row, A21, A22, second row. That means 5 minus 3, 3, 2. Now we have to find the adjoint of A. That is equal to, first of all, we write the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix means 5 minus 3, this is the first row, 5 minus 3, and 3, 2 with the second row. To find, this is the cofactor matrix. To find adjoint of A, we take transpose of this cofactor matrix. So we write T. That means this matrix, cofactor matrix, and this T stands for transpose of this matrix. So therefore, final answer adjoint of A is equal to, we know that to find transpose of matrix, that means we have to interchange rows into columns. So to find the transpose of matrix, first row converted into first row, that means first column, first row converted into first column, that means 5 minus 3 is the first column, second row converted into second column, 3, 2. This is the second column. So final answer is adjoint of A is equal to 5, 3 minus 3, 2. Now we will solve another example in exercise 2.2. Example is, find the adjoint of the matrix. Matrix is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 0 minus 1. Now solution is, First of all, consider the given matrix is equal to A. This means A is equal to this matrix. Now, find the minors of this matrix, means every element of that matrix, and then find the cofactors. Now, minors of every element of this matrix, means there are 9 minors. The first minor is M11, that is equal to, now I will write this minus directly. This M11 means it is a minor of A11, but I write directly as the A11 element is 1, row column eliminated, and then write determinant of 3, 5, 0, minus 1, which is equal to, now this determinant is minus 3, 0 into 5, 5, that is 0, minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3. Now M12 is equal to same. M12 means this element, row column eliminated, then determinant of minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 1. So it is plus 2 plus 10, the minus 10. That means it is 2 plus 10, it is 12. Then M13. M13 means element A13, that is 2, row column eliminated, determinant of minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0. Here, right, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0, determinant is 0, minus plus 6, that is equal to 6. Same, M12 is, M21 is equal to, now, M21 means element is minus 2. So this row, this column eliminated, determinant of minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Here, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, minus 0, that is 1. M22 is equal to, it is the middle element, second row, second column. So it is 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. It is determinant of 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. Then the determinant is minus 1, minus plus 2 into 2, 4. That is plus 3. Then M23 is equal to, M23 element is 5. Now eliminate this row and this column. Then we get determinant of 1, minus 2, 0. Here 1, minus 2, 0. Determinant is 0, minus 2 into minus plus 2. That is 0, minus 2, minus 2. Then M31. M31 means it is minus 2 element. Row column eliminated and determinant is minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Here minus 1, 2, 3, 5. So it is minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Then M32 is equal to, similarly, element is 0. Row column eliminated, then the M32 is equal to determinant of 1, 2, minus 2, 5. That means it is 5, minus plus 2 into 2, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. And last element is M33. M33 means minor of element A33. So this row and this column eliminated, we write determinant of 1, minus 2, 3. 1, minus 2, 3. So 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. These are the minors of this matrix A. We have to find their cofactors. So according to the formula, we have formula for cofactor is Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Means the sign of minors are changes according to this sum, that is I plus j. Therefore, I plus j is odd. Here M12, 1 plus 2, 3, it is odd number. This minor sign is changes. Then the sign of M21 changes, sign of M23 changes, and sign of M32 changes. Since the I plus j value of these minors, that is 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. That means these signs of minors are changes, and we write the cofactors as M11 remains same, minus 3. M12, here 1 plus 2 is 3. So it is odd number. So 12 converted into minus 2. Minus 2, since it is minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied by this 12. So we get minus 12. In this way, the cofactors are, first A11 is equal to minus 3, A12 is equal to sign is change, minus 2, then A13 is equal to same minor, that means A13 is equal to 6. Here A21 sign is changed, since it is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus sign, minus 1, so it is minus 1. Then 3 remains, A22 remains same. Then M23 has changed the sign, it is minus 2 converted into 2. Then M31 that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, so M31 is equal to minus 1, same as A31 is equal to minus 1. Here also M32 changes, 9 converted, A32 is equal to minus 9, 9 converted into minus 9 here. And last 3 plus 3, M3, 3, that is 3 plus 3, 6. 6 means it is minus 1 raised to 6 is a positive value. So it is M33 is equal to 1, same as A33 is equal to 1. In this way we write the cofactor of every element. Now actual question is find the adjoint of matrix. So to find the adjoint of matrix A, we take the transpose of the cofactor of the matrix, means cofactor matrix. First of all, write the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix write in row form as, that is minus 3, minus 12, then 6, minus 1, 3, 2, then minus 11, minus 9, 1. Once again we check the cofactors matrix. A11 is equal to minus 3, A12 is equal to minus 2, minus 12, A13 is equal to 6, A21 is equal to minus 1, A22 is equal to 3, A23 is equal to 2, A31 is equal to minus 11, A32 is equal to minus 9, and lastly A33 is equal to 1. This is the cofactor matrix. And to find the adjoint of matrix, we take the transpose of this cofactor matrix. So final answer is, that is adjoint of A is equal to this first row, that is R1 converted into C1, means it is C1 is minus 3, minus 12, 6. This first row written in column form, that is first column. Then minus 1, 3, 2. This is second row, second column. Here third row converted into third column. So it is minus 11, minus 9 and 1. So this is the adjoint of given matrix A.
Start.
This example is for homework. Example is, if A is equal to matrix 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3, then verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. I means it is an identity matrix. The example is a 3 by 3 matrix. So we take this identity matrix is also 3 by 3 identity matrix. That means its elements are 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. I will give some hint. First of all, we find adjoint of A. Then equation 1 is, we find A into adjoint of. This is equation of A. Then adjoint of A into A. That means we do here multiplication. And third is determinant of A. We find this determinant of this matrix into identity matrix. We get same 3 matrix. This matrix 3 by 3 matrix. This also 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. All these 3 by 3 matrix are equal. Then we will verify this.